As we all know, today's battlefields are more challenging than ever. We're required to fight in complex urban areas amongst civilian populations and to handle time-critical targets. The biggest challenge is to close the sensor-to-shooter loops in a very short time, accurately, effectively, and efficiently. Today, we at Rafael are proud to present the revolutionary solution to these challenges, FireWeaver, the world's most mature networked attack system. See how in real-time action, the sensors detect and identify the targets. FireWeaver selects the optimal shooters and marks the targets to the shooter's site. As a result, all the attack processes are completed simultaneously in an unprecedentedly short time. As we are seeing different shooters from different locations simultaneously neutralizing different targets within a few seconds, this can only be achieved today with FireWeaver. Now, let's understand step by step how FireWeaver actually works. As we see, all the forces are connected through a radio network. The attack process begins with a variety of sensors gathering information in the battlefield. The sensor identifies the target, classifies it, and disseminates it through the system. In the same way, all the other sensors detect and classify the information and disseminate it through the net to all the connected participants. Thanks to Rafael's advanced computer vision technologies, each participant receives very accurate augmentation symbols, so they all see the same targets regardless of their position. Once the sensors detect and classify the targets, the FireWeaver core, the brain of the system, goes immediately into action. It calculates all the data and within seconds, it chooses the optimal shooter for each target based on such parameters as location, line of sight, effectiveness, and current ammo status. All that in accordance to the fire policy. The process can be performed automatically or controlled according to the commander's decision. As you see, the target is sent from the sensor to the shooter, who sees the target from his point of view on his sight. The targets are neutralized simultaneously in a very short time with maximum precision while minimizing damage and avoiding friendly fire. At the same time, the FireWeaver system enables other shooters to neutralize further targets according to the same operational process. FireWeaver uses 3 targeting languages: geo-coordinate, laser designation, and electro-optical pixel. The system has already been tested in the field, including many-to-many and live fire scenarios. For the first time with FireWeaver, the sensor-to-shooter loop is closed in seconds instead of minutes.